Welcome to Harrow, one of the most popular and vibrant boroughs in London. Harrow is an attractive choice to live in for countless reasons, from shopping centres to top-rated schools, as well as thousands of businesses and a range of transport links. Harrow ranks high with families and young professionals. It's no wonder, with the multitude of rich offerings from districts including Kenton, Stanmore and Edgware, have seen a strong demand for property. This has led house prices to rise by 53% since 2010 in Harrow. As property experts, we know speed is crucial when buying in a highly sought after area. It's our aim to show you a property as soon as it hits the market. Today we're excited to walk you through this mammoth 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom detached property set on one of Kenton's most premier roads. The ground floor entails 2 reception rooms, a study, modern kitchen and a conservatory. Upstairs takes you to 4 good-sized bedrooms, 2 of which have ensuite and a separate family bathroom, and an extended loft which has been converted to a further bedroom with ensuite. The rear of the property offers a great garden with decking area, and the front provides a large garage and generous driveway. Close to outstanding schools, several transport links, recreational grounds and neighbouring premier roads, this huge house is set in a fantastic location. This property won't be on the market for long. If you want us to fulfill your property dreams fast, contact Infinity today.